Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a hair video. I haven't done one of these in a very long time on myself, but I needed to do it. I got some terrible highlights done these last couple of weeks. They were chunky, brassy, really 90s style, when I really wanted some baby lights to just bring out the texture in my hair, just give my hair some dimension. Needless to say, she jacked them all up, and I had to go to Sally's to pick up some Demi permanent hair dye so I didn't damage my hair. And honestly, I'm so obsessed. This is the result. It really toned down the brassiness. It's a Demi permanent hair dye, so it will wash out gracefully in my hair. But I'm just so excited and I want to share this process with you. So if you guys like these style of videos, then definitely subscribe below, give this video a big thumbs up, and let me know in the comments if you've had to cover up some really bad highlights or just things during this quarantine season that you had to do to your hair, because let me tell you, it's been a struggle, especially with girls with really short hair. It's been a struggle. So I hope you guys like this video. Let me know in the comments what you think, and let's get into the video.